Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my video today, I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator, wiping it down, getting rid of some old food, and I'm going to be reorganizing it with some of these organizational items that I got from Amazon. Here I'm just showing you an overview of what my fridge looks like currently. It's a little bit of a mess. It's got some spilled stuff going on. We're a family of 5. We have 3 children, so things can get messy pretty quickly if you don't stay on top of it. Here's another close-up of some of those real-life messes that all of us have. That's life. You make a mess and then you clean it up. It is what it is. Here's a little overview of part of my freezer. I'm going to be reorganizing this as well. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just take everything out of the fridge so that I can see what the expiration dates are. I try really hard to not have food waste in my home, but things do happen. Sometimes you forget about stuff or it sits in there a little bit longer than intended. So I'm just going through everything that we have, seeing what we have doubles of, what's empty, what's expired, so that I can see what all I want to keep and what needs to be tossed. Now that I have my fridge emptied, I'm going to go ahead and use these Baby Organics all-purpose surface wipes to clean down the refrigerator. It's not that messy in here, so I didn't want to break out a spray bottle. I'm just going to give it a wipe down with these. These are plant-based cleaning wipes. They are non-toxic. I love them so much. I try to stick to plant-based non-toxic cleaners in my home because it makes me feel better since I have little ones. And Baby Organics is a brand I've been using probably since I had my daughter, and so like about 6 years now, and I do really enjoy their products. I think they work well. When I do use a all-purpose spray, I tend to stick with Young Living's Thieves Cleaner. I love that cleaner. I use it frequently. I'm just not using it today because I didn't want to have to take out absolutely everything in the fridge here. I wanted to leave some things, like you see, I have my Lazy Susan still in here, and I didn't want to spray stuff on the food. And like I said, it wasn't that bad. It's mostly surface cleaning. Right, I gave my fridge a wipe down. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was, and I'm satisfied with it. I think the wipes did a really great job. You can see here in my meat drawer, I just have dinner marinating and a few odds and ends. That drawer wasn't really dirty, so I didn't have to wipe it out. But I cleaned out these containers here. Those are like fast food condiments. Let me know where you keep those in your fridge, because I feel like this isn't the best storage option for them, but I don't really know where else to put them. So here you see me just decanting my eggs here. I like to do this so that I can see how many I have left in the carton, so I know when to restock. We go through them quickly enough that I don't worry about the expiration date. Now I'm just reorganizing the fridge here. All of these storage containers I have that you see in the video here are from Amazon. They're from a brand called Green Co. I've had them since 2020 and they've held up beautifully. I love them a lot. They're very easy to clean. They're BPA free. They're clear. So they're aesthetically pleasing, and they came in a set. The only thing that didn't come in the set was the additional can holder. We really like to drink sparkling and seltzer waters in my house, so I bought an additional can holder because we like to have those cold. It's the same brand. I just bought an extra one because only one came in the pack. And for my Lazy Susan, that is the OXO or OXO brand. It is the 11-inch. If you guys would like a link to any of these items, just let me know and I can help you out in the comments. am leaving a little bit of room to spare because on the day that I decided to do this, I had a grocery delivery coming from Walmart later on. So I wanted to make sure that there was enough room for, the new juices and new food items that I purchased. I knew I had coming later in the day. And also, I like to leave enough space. That way, when we have leftovers from dinner and things like that, I have a spot to put them. You might see me struggling a little bit to get these pickles and things up on the top shelf. I'm actually only 4'10". I'm very short, so I was having a little bit of a struggle here. I had to get on my tippy toes, but I made it work. All right, so here is an overview of everything. I think it came out great. I love it. Everything is nice and clean and orderly. I have my drinks organized on the bottom, the applesauce and fruit pouches. I have some of our most used condiments on the turner, and I have the other ones on the door here. And here's my freezer. I ended up just reorganizing this. With no bins, just kind of by like items. So the top here, I have like our desserts, popsicles, ice creams, that kind of thing, with the ice maker up here. And then I have the rest of our stuff on the bottom. I also have my ice packs up here for lunch boxes. So on this side, I have our frozen produce. I also have our like bread and pizza dough, and then breakfast items and snacks like Hot Pockets. And then on the other side, I just put like frozen meats and lunch and dinner options. And that's what that looks like all together. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it satisfying, or it gave you some inspiration to tackle your own refrigerator. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.